Welcome to the PCR Respiratory Kit Portal Guide. Feel free to follow along with the instructions found in your respiratory kit. Once we begin processing your sample shortly after arrival to the Advanta Genetics Laboratory, we will send you an email to the address listed on the requisition with a temporary password to set up your Advanta Bridge profile. Follow the link listed in the email and change your password. If you haven't received this email yet, check your junk and spam. After you have successfully reset your password, you will be signed in to your portal account. Your laboratory results will be listed here. If your test kit is currently in progress, you will see this status notification. Expect to receive results by noon the next day. Continue to log into your profile to check the status of your results. To view or download your results, click Download PDF Report under the report listed. After selecting the report, a PDF of your results will appear. To download to your computer or device, click the Share button below. You have now successfully retrieved your results.